So I'm going to build it up for you, and then I'm going to show you the 6/8 groove that the song requires for that part of the song. Okay, so at the middle of the song, you're playing the chorus full. Everyone's playing loud. You know, you're right there up top. And then you're going to want to be able to hit the chops. So what I mean by chops is not a chop in specifically in a roll. What you're doing is you're accenting these hits that all the band members are going to do. So it's hi-hat, snare, and kick, and it sounds just like this. Just like that, okay? So you're building it up, and then I'll show you how to lead into that. You want to make sure that you're being dynamic and you're not overplaying, but you're not underplaying. Listen to the music and make sure that you're flowing with it.
Thank you for watching another UPCI Music Ministry video on YouTube. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel in order to get the latest content videos and tutorials.